In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove the Redmi Watch 2 Lite strap. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This particular model of smartwatch from Redmi allows customization by having a removable strap, so it is simple to do. You will be able to do it on your own, and you can replace it with official ones or any other custom-made strap. To do this, you need to press a specific button on the strap. So if you look at the inside, you will find this specific location here on your strap. All that you have to do is press down on this button. You might have to apply a lot of pressure if this is the first ever time that you are removing the strap from the Redmi Watch 2 Lite. So you can use a specific object or do it with your finger. As long as you push down on this button, it should release itself. So with one hand, press down on the button while holding the watch, and with the other one, pull the strap away from the watch. As soon as you do this, it should snap off, allowing you to insert a new one by using this same button type connection. So now, if you have a replacement ready, just grab it and push it into place. This is going to be much easier. It will lock itself into place and the button will automatically attach itself to the new strap. And of course, you can do the exact same thing with both sides. Like I said before, initially, you might have to apply a lot of pressure to get this done if this is the first ever time that you are removing this strap, but it is possible. Try using a specific long object if this is giving you trouble. And as long as you are able to push down on this button here, it will detach itself, allowing you to remove the watch. Now that it is detached, you will be able to input the new one and it is going to lock itself in place. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Redmi Watch 2 Lite strap. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.